Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2748th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Traders, this video is coming at you on a Thursday night for trading, Friday. That's going to be May 10th, 2024. Please remember before we get started how risky this game is. Risky. Trading anything, cryptocurrencies, options, futures, stocks. If you trade it, it's risky. Put stops in, put them in first, always. Put protective orders in before getting into a position. All right, so for trading E-mini S&P on Friday, I have been showing you how the Omni has been flipping and doing a video for each flip, right? So we had the highest high ever set in S&P on April 1st. We do a video the next day to say we're looking for downside, and it flips. The next video talking about a flip again is all the way down here on this day, and it does flip. We got a video posted for that day, and we talked about it rallying to here, and another video comes out that the Omni flips again back to red, and it does go down. Then another video comes out on this day and says the Omni flipped back to green. I mean, the Omni has just been out of control stellar, right? Flips back to green, straight up we go. Then when it gets right here, the Omni goes into a holding pattern, no trade. Then on this day, for trading on 5-8 or for trading on 5-9, the Omni flipped to red for trading today, which would be 5-9. So the Omni flipped to red, and once again it flipped tonight on the close of 5-9 back to green. So it went from neutral to red and back to green in 3 days. Now look at the difference, how it flipped here. Right, on this date, on 4-2, it stayed green. It stayed red all the way till down here. Then it stayed green till here. Then it went back to red. Then it went back to green. But look at the 3 flips. Right? It was neutral, green, red, all within just 2 days. Well, 3 days. Now, the Omni told us to get short on Thursday and then get out when you can take a profit. Well, see inside this right here? The Omni tells us where inside of a daily bar we're going to possibly make points for the day, but Omni does not tell us where the market will close at the end of the day. At the end of the day, we get a new Omni signal. So, I get an Omni signal at the end of Thursday night. It flips to green. I'm a buyer for Friday. That's what we have now. The Omni flip back to green. But the Omni doesn't tell you where the market will close. It just tells you, it identifies an area within the daily range of where you can make money. What did we do on Thursday? The Omni told us to short NASDAQ up to 18,215. We did. It told us to take profits at 18,115. We did. That's 100 points. The Omni told us to go short gold at 23.20. We did that on Thursday. Told us to take profits at 23.15. We did that. 2 winning trades. So we were able to make money on the downside on Thursday, even though it closed on the upside. Doesn't matter to me where it closes as long as the Omni can make money within the daily range. So viva la Omni for Thursday, right? And now the Omni flips back to green and wants us to buy dips in E-mini S&P, NASDAQ, or Russell for trading on Friday. So I just wanted to make you aware, within 3 days, we went from neutral to red back to green. So the Omni's moving around, and it wants us to buy dips for Friday. What else do we have out there? Oh, yes. We were looking at Mr. Bitcoin. Where are you? Bitcoin. Remember Bitcoin? Well, we had the do or die area, bottom of the channel, hits the average at the same time, and holds. Market goes up. Well, it came back to that average, and boom, look what happened. And Omni went back into buy mode. So very good. Omni's in buy mode on E-mini, S&P, NASDAQ, and Bitcoin. But we were looking at something else in the last couple of days, and we were looking at, let's see, that's on number 21, gold. Remember gold? Hey, rock and roll gold. The big booming bull flag versus the blue bear flag. Which one is it? We've been voting for the last 3 days, the last 3 videos, A, if it's a bull flag, B, if it's a bear. Well, it's outside right now of what we think is a bear flag. Look at that, it popped out. All right, well, with that in mind, I'll tell you what this is, what I have claimed it's been all along. My trading room, the people who hang out with me here every day, they know what I think it is. I think it's as obvious as the day is long, traders. Is it A or B? Well, look at it. It is a little bear flag inside of a big bull flag. It's exactly what it looks like. It's all it is. So when you guys were voting A or B, I was saying to myself, okay, I guess I've got a lesson to give here, because everyone should be saying, Oscar, it's A and B. It's a small bear flag inside of a big bull flag. That is what it is, kids. Now we're coming out of the bear flag. If we come out of it and stay out of it for 2 days, it gets negated and we're back to just the bull flag. So here's where we are now. You know, it's always been a bull flag, just a little bear flag inside of it. Anyway, that is what it is, kids, if you didn't know. It's not. It is both a bull and a bear flag. The bigger picture is it's a big bull flag that had a smaller bearish F flag built up in it. Anyway, the Omni has flipped back to buying dips in gold just like it did in S&P and Bitcoin for trading on Friday, and I wanted to let you know that. Listen, if you're interested in joining me for Bootcamp in Naples, Florida, at the end of this week, I'm closing out applications and I'm making my choices. In fact, I just spoke to a gentleman today on the phone, and likely they are coming out. So I am going to finalize the applications. You've got till Friday to fill them out, and tomorrow is Friday. Send me your applications if you want to come to Bootcamp in Naples, Florida, to meet me in person and work with me for 3 full days and nights, where I'll teach you how to come up with your own Omni trades. That happens June 1st, 2nd, 3rd. It's Saturday, Sunday, Monday. This June coming up in the beginning of this month in Naples, Florida. Your best bet would be go to omnibootcamp.com and quickly fill out an application right now, and I'll call you tomorrow and see if I qualify you for one of the remaining seats. All right, so bull flag, bear flag, and the bull flag. If you get out of the bear flag and stay out, we negate it and make it go away, and we have just a big bull flag, 1 day at a time. Make sure you join me at livewithoscar.com. Please like and share these videos. Hit the like button right now. It'll help the algorithms on YouTube. And then remember, keep your emotions out of trading, kids. Have a great weekend. That'll help you. And when you're in a trade, do this. Say this to yourselves over and over again. Make sure you do it. Don't hit the keyboard buttons. 1, 2, 3. Stop, sir. Emotions are out. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thanks for hitting the like and share buttons so that people know we exist. And I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.